Welcome friends, and thanks for visiting Gardening Parcel. In today's video, I will show you how to grow a lotus plant in a container. And I will also show you how to properly fertilize your lotus plant to promote growth and vibrant blooms. Before we dive into the main topic, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon. So let's get to the topic of the video. To grow a lotus plant in a container, the first thing you will need is a container. The size of the container will depend on the varieties of the plants that you are growing. Some varieties need bigger size containers and some varieties can be grown in small size container. But if you are not sure about the varieties, take a container like this one. In this type of container, almost all varieties will grow beautifully. The variety of this plant is Camellia, and this variety can be grown in a small size container like this one. The second thing you will need is soil. If you can collect aquatic soil, that will be better. You can mix aquatic soil with garden soil in 1:3 ratio. And if you cannot collect aquatic soil, you can grow lotus plant in garden soil. You can mix some vermicompost with the garden soil and fill half of the container with soil. The next thing that you will need are some seeds or some tubers. But I will say it is always better to grow lotus plants from tubers because of the success rate. It is not that seeds won't germinate, they will germinate, but tubers grow faster than seeds and the success rate is also high. So if possible, collect some tubers. The next thing you will need to do is to put the tubers or the seeds directly into the soil. If you are growing lotus plants from seeds, you don't need to germinate them separately and then put them in the soil. You can put the seeds directly into the soil, they will germinate there. There will be no problem. After a few days, you will see small leaves like these leaves. And after some more days, you will see leaves like these leaves, which will be above the water level. These leaves are called air leaves, and when you see 1 or 2 air leaves, you need to start fertilizing your lotus plants. I will show you how to fertilize your lotus plants properly to promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Take a piece of paper like this one and fold it as I'm doing. Then take 1 gram of balanced NPK like 19:19:19 or 20:20:20 and take and half gram of magnesium sulfate. Fold the paper back. And I will put this folded paper packet in the soil, at least 2-inch deep into the soil. You need to fertilize your plant every 2 weeks, that is twice a month. And if you fertilize your plant like I did, it will promote growth and vibrant blooms. Lotus plant love sun. Keep the plant in full sun and always cut off yellow leaves if there is any. With this care and patience, your plant will reward you with vibrant blooms. Sit back, relax, and savor the beauty of your container lotus garden. So that was it for today's video. Like the video, leave a comment and share the video with your friends, and hope to see you in the next videos.